Hello friends, today I'd like to show how we can do professional YouTube thumbnail editing through Canva. So here is a thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail. So we can just edit it like we can change the color of this to blue like this, something like white or something like this, and just easily change any text color like this. And we can make or change the image and add any other image like money. Yeah, we can use this one like this, and we can add more icon, valid icon. Yeah, I think it's better to use a transparent icon like this. And make the icon more smaller. Yes, after that we can also edit the image or add anything animated or any text from here, add headings, subheading, etc., etc. Yeah, we can just easily update the Canva design like this way. So thank you guys.